Okay, Alex, what are we doing today?
I'm gonna see if I can get the four-wheel drive to work again.
On the WJ.
Bought this thing with a broken front drive shaft.
Yeah.
It's been, what, a month?
Obviously never off-roaded because it still has inner fender liners.
Nobody doing nothing on this.
These are my rims off my Jeep, so they're scratched because of me.
I ripped them.
What she got in here for lift, bro?
The freaking long arms, bro. Iron rough.
6.5 inch, bro. 3 link in the front. Well, I don't know. Technically 2.
Technically 2.
It really is 2. Which is great.
I think it's still called a 3-link because of the
rear is like 3.
triangulated.
Cigarette. Ruby 2. Oh, okay.
Trying to get these bolts off the shaft.
So these online are super expensive, even OEM.
Yeah.
Went to the scrapyard and got one for $25. So
Not a bad deal.
we also got axles from the junkyard.
That was mint. Verilux.
So yeah, limited slip front and rear for this thing.
Yeah, it's gonna be dirty good.
But
That'll be another video.
yeah, we gotta restore those, so you'll be seeing those soon.
They're a little rusty.
These are a pain in the butt.
This is fun. Oh yeah.
I'm trying to help. Same time.
I think I started that one. Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the mirror in there.
Pretty easy that turns.
That's right. I might see if I can get that. I might need a
Small one.
flex or a small and a flex maybe.
Let's see. Oh, you might need a freaking
Or
a
a
ratchet
ratchet
wrench. I think that's what he used, honestly. I get a ratchet wrench. Back with the wrench that is ratcheting.
Man.
Might help a little. Unreal. Goddamn WJs. Nobody even knows what I drive yet. Unreal. Even worse.
You got a secret Jeep.
What is sin? Even though it's the picture of my YouTube.
But it's a secret.
Nobody knows.
Maybe I'll oh yeah.
These are freaking painy.
Ripper. Okay, I'll get the other side in.
Potato. Watch the freaking gear ratios be different in each axle.
We don't even know yet. We don't even know.
Bounce it up and
We'll
down.
find out if I can even four-wheel drive.
Dirty nice, that'd be the. Watch your transfer case now you work.
Yeah, good thing you have one. Now we know how to take it out.
What'd you say is blown out? Your tranny mount?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
This here.
maybe, yeah.
Oh, I've got a lot of play. I don't know, maybe not. I didn't really look up.
There's a transmission over there.
Threads are crossed.
Cross all the threads you can.
Sport detect.
Look at these. Oh my god. Self-tappers.
That is a good rocker right there. The trailer is actually in better shape.
Yeah, the green Jeep is
The
mint.
green Jeep's in better shape
This
than
is
this
full.
thing.
Look at, oh my god, his Canada flag of friggin' rust in there.
Hey, just
This will be mine in about a year. In spring. What's this?
it's a Jeep thing. You wouldn't
I
understand.
don't know what that is.
The nice thing about Jeeps is you get like a free oil spray.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh my god. See it. I can seize it. This one's not as bad as the other one. The other one was like, yeah, 4 bottles of dig greaser on everything.
Yeah, literally. That little.
I can hold this.
The old Torco spec.
Spork.
Give her a little jiggle.
I could give her one more row potato.
Row potato.
Like that.
Yep, other one. Done. That's
good.
torque to spec, bro.
This one.
Different.
Right
Do you want to switch? Do you want me to?
Like. Oh. Are you sure it's the right one? It's dirty short over.
It's extended in all the way. It's pushed in.
Oh.
Oh.
We might have to take this.
Oh, the clamp.
Yeah, because it might extend further.
It does extend far enough.
That's like, cause look.
Well, alright.
Okay.
We took the...
We got this boot off.
That'll give us what we need.
I don't know. Is this gonna fall out? I might have to get a bigger boot. It'll work though, I think. If we don't fall on the floor while you're off road.
Here's hoping.
Oh, that looks dirty. Fucking not right.
That's how the other one looked though. I think that's what was broken.
I just kind of wanna. It's gonna go in the exact same too.
So it's at 2 inches of.
So like, I think you might be okay. The only way that would come off. Actually, I don't know.
I'd have to droop the whole front.
If you full flexed on this side, like down, drooped,
might pop out.
it might. You'd have to.
We'll see.
Got the welder out.
Might still be stuck buying a new one.
An aftermarket longer. Plus this, like.
That one should work. We'll have to see what the allowable distance is again.
Like you'll need a bigger boot too, because like that boot's not gonna work.
We're wrecking things because we're not actually mechanics. But
Unreal. We're just two mechanics.
yeah.
Look at that. Oh, color your name in there.
Yeah, she's a little wet. I know. This is literally dripping. That's literally what it's like owning a Jeep. Doesn't
Your old pants literally came
There
down.
was a rock at one point.
Like mushed. And then dented there.
That's probably why it took less oil than the other one did.
Unreal.
Nice. That's solid.
So what do we do?
We try it. See if the axle ratios are the same. Decide what we want to do after. It's 5 minutes.
Where's those?
Under your arm.
Oh.
Oh, down there.
These. Good thing there was Loctite on here. On a little bit. This one here needs to like. Yeah, this side there's like a retainer thing on it.
Yeah.
That I have to get in the other side. We need a pry bar for that. Jeep's like in a shitty spot. Your axle too. You have to like. Oops.
Throwing my tools. Typical. Doesn't pay for them.
So I'm allergic to bikinis.
Allergic to the milkinis. This guy likes the salt. I mean, are we allowed to say milkini?
Milkini? Milwaukee? Right, yeah, we are. Using the Milwaukee fuel. 3/8 ratchet.
Shout outs. Give us sponsors.
Shout out to these tools that can't prove what they're worth because they're junk.
Oh.
And they got stuck like that, even though it's the socket and has nothing to do with it.
Tell us how you really feel.
Now I can't reach the top because the head on it is 4 feet wide.
There's an extension if you want it.
Still, it's gonna be out of the way.
Oh, as you're saying.
Like oh! What's going on? We should see that muffler there? Point the camera right there. You should grab your sawzall and just cut it right off.
It'd be like the green one again. All over. I'm probably gonna not, just so you know. This one, that's a Borla.
It's not beefy enough. You need a straight pipe.
It's got the power.
Like everything I ever own except for this Jeep I have. Okay, we repositioned the vehicle. Give her a freaking little crank. Okay, Okay, it's in.
He's good.
We're dealing with this though. I had to take this boot off, and because this thing is lifted so much, and we only got not much in there for play.
We'll have to look up because there's an amount that's allowable.
Yeah, like we got 200. How far does that one go?
That's what I was just trying to.
That one, it looks like it has extra.
I think the other one is splines all the way, and that's why it looks more.
That's
look at
true.
how much. That's probably how much is buried on that one.
Yeah, because that one, that's probably how much is left.
That's that's
on this
like it's
one.
probably like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But like, we have to find a boot or something for this one.
Yeah.
But for now, I think he's gonna drive. See, because we had a theory that this broke because this Jeep has been through so many axles from the last guy that we think that is different from the rear. So we're gonna find out right now.
See,
and then
the
if
same gears.
if it's fine, then we'll probably turn this around and try and full droop this axle on this side to see if this pops on the ground, because that wouldn't be fun off-road.
That would not be fun off-road.
What a sin that would be.
That would be a big sin.
Put her in 4 high here. See if she
See if you do.
see if the
Oh, this one's way better than the green one.
don't mind the piston slap, that's normal. So we're just gonna let off the brake and see if it binds up with different gear ratios. Unless it's not in 4-wheel drive yet. Yeah, maybe back up a bit.
I'm off the gas.
Go forward. It might be all right. We'll probably have to take out your front sway bar for that. That's not mine. This isn't yours either. I don't know where this came from. Okay, we're gonna take this out. Take off a sway bar and see on our driveway, see? Oh! You got more flex too, unreal. Oh, you maxed out. It's like barely even flexed in the front. Gotta lift her up. Looks like you have pretty much the exact same amount
Okay, that's probably fine.
of
Bigger boot.
yeah, bigger boot, it should be fine. This guy backs up. And what happens? Because the rear isn't cut. The rear fenders aren't cut yet. Oh, what an idiot. It's like poof, 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 poof. Unreal.
She'll be good.
It's got to be trimmed still. Got to cut this all the way. We're just supposed to do that today, but don't.
And, yeah.
This is what happens. There you go. You don't need that. You don't need to cover all that rotted evap stuff anyway.
That's fine. My race at the bank.
Yeah, it's like as far up as you go. She doesn't even bottom out. A little bit more, not really.
Didn't even cut this one.
Go to run 37th now.
I guess.
Oh.
Spend in the big book.
35 is not good enough on me.
Flex on the ledge up front.
Yeah, flex on the wall.
Stay tuned, both Jeeps buds.
Hold up the Amazons. Oh yeah. No rub, officer. Promise. No rub. Oh, she doesn't rub, see? Nighttime. Nighttime coming already. What time is it?
Almost 5.
5 o'clock.
Oh. You don't have to cut them if you don't want to, but I'm down too.
Friggin' Ontario. Oh, we're gonna cut them, no worries.
Oh, we're gonna cut them. Oh, you know what we should have bought while we were out?
What?
More grinder discs.
Oh, we can't even cut them. What a sin. No grind. Oh. Oh, no grinder disc. What a sin.
I'm telling you.
See, this year we cut that. Banged her in. Like quite a bit, actually.
Well, we could self-tapping our screw in the gear for that.
2 inches, probably. Bang that in. This here is sticking out all weird, but that's going to be gone soon. You'll see that later. I'm going to put that sway bar back in. Oh! Car wash got you. That's our